Hi.
When I'm nervous, I have this thing, yeah, I talk too much. Sometimes I just can't shut the hell up. It's like I need to tell someone, anyone will listen, and that's where I seem to mess up. Yeah, I forget about the consequences. For a minute there I lose my senses. In the heat of the moment, my word starts flowing, my mouth starts going out. My reflection in the mirror. Why am I doing this to myself? I'm losing my mind on a tiny error. I maybe left the real me on the shelf. No, 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 no. Don't lose who you are. Don't blur the stars. See this and see comes back around. It's okay, it's okay. And I think that I made you think that the trust we had broken. Don't tell me you can't forgive me. Just nobody's perfect. No. Brushing my hair, do I look perfect? I forgot what to do with the film. The more I try, the less it's working. Yeah, 'cause everything inside me screams no, 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 no. Don't lose who you are. Let you down. Blur the stars. See this is sleeping, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard to follow your heart. Tears don't mean you're losing. Everybody's broken. It's just nobody's perfect. No, 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 just go and leave me alone. Real talk, real life. Good love, good night. With a smile, that's my own. That's my own. Don't lose who you are in the blur of the stars. See is deceiving, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard to follow your heart. Tears don't mean you're losing, everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are. There's nothing wrong with who you are.
Okay. Hello. I'm Dana. I'm the singer in the band.
Tenny.
Hello, I am Tony, and I'm the singer in the band.
I've just played guitar and I'm Chrislyn.
Raymond and a little bit of everything.
He's piano, guitar, singing. He's our,
special.
yeah. And we are Simple City Lights. Yeah. Yeah, so the song that we just did is we're actually going to perform it at a Java Jam talent show. So yeah, come and watch it.
Thanks for watching our video.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
And we'll post the video of us doing it at the talent show sometime in January. Yeah.
February, bro, February.
Oh, February. I'm sorry. February. Yeah. Okay. So subscribe, like, comment, yeah, you can make. Should we have requests? Like, you know, they can like request in the comment box.
Sure.
Yeah, so you can request songs that you want us to do in the comments below or anywhere.
Can we steal this intro?
Yeah.